underway. Neil West out of 7 for down. Leia Kowalski, Lonnie fastest all-time at now in this event. She is primarily high ever. Ava Chavez in 3, Paige McDecker was 7th in the 400 IM, and she was a year ago, she's in 4. But Leia Kowalski, she is really very versatile. She won the 200 free yesterday. She's an hour, she's a respirator. And she's a wallflower. And she's a leader. Neil West 7, Ava Chavez over 3.